How to hide friends on Snapchat. Snapchat doesn't offer a direct hide friend option, but there are a few simple ways to make conversations and contacts less noticeable. First, open the Snapchat app and go to the chat screen. One of the easiest methods is to clear a conversation from your chat feed without removing the friendship. To do this, tap and hold on the friend's name. Next, select Chat and Notification Settings, then tap Clear from Chat Feed or Clear from Chat View, depending on your app version. Confirm by tapping Clear. This removes the conversation from your main chat list, but you'll still remain friends on Snapchat. Another option is to change the friend's display name. Tap and hold on the friend's name again, then select Manage Friendship. Tap Edit Name, enter a nickname of your choice, and save the changes. This can make the conversation less noticeable when browsing your chats. If you want even more privacy, you can also remove or block the friend. Simply tap and hold on their name, select Manage Friendship, and then choose either Remove Friend or Block. Removing a friend disconnects them from your friends list, while blocking prevents them from contacting you or viewing your content. And those are some of the easiest ways to hide friends or make conversations less visible on Snapchat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Snapchat tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.